Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like and share my channel and also press the bell icon button for more informative videos. So guys, today's our topic for discussing the weather and climates of New Zealand. January and February are the warmest month. मतलब कि न्यूजीलैंड में जो है वो जनवरी और फरवरी जो है वो सबसे गर्म तरीन महीने होते हैं. एंड जुलाई इज़ द कोल्डेस्ट मंथ ऑफ द ईयर. और जो जुलाई होता है वो साल का सबसे सर्द महीना होता है. इन समर द एवरेज मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर रेंजेस बिटवीन 20 to 30 degrees centigrade and in winter between 10 to 15 degrees centigrade. New Zealand weather can change unexpectedly, as they say. You can experience 4 seasons in one day. मतलब कि जो न्यूजीलैंड का जो वेदर है ना वो अनएक्सपेक्टेडली ही चेंज होता है. जैसे कि आप एक दिन में चारों सीजन्स भी देख सकते हैं. इसी तरह जो है वो अगर हम न्यूजीलैंड क्लाइमेट्स की बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास जो है mean annual temperature range from 10 degrees centigrade in the south to 16 degrees centigrade in the north. The coldest month is usually July and the warmest month is usually January. मतलब कि वही चीज़ जो और February. Generally there are relatively small variations between summer and winter temperatures. मतलब summer और winter temperature में small variations ही होती है. Climates of the New Zealand mean annual temperature ranges जो है वो an example of this is Auckland with has a variation of just 9 degree to 16 degree Fahrenheit between the average mid-winter high temperature. The expectations to this is island areas and to the east of the ranges with daily variations that can be over 25 degrees centigrade and differences of up or to 14 degrees centigrade between the average summer and winter high temperatures. Temperatures also drop about northern cities such as Auckland, Whangarei and Tauranga experience mean yearly maxima of between 19 to 20 degrees centigrade and mean year minima of around 11 to 12 degrees centigrade. मतलब कि डिफरेंट जो है वो एरियाज़ में डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ वेदर्स होता रहता है. समर डेली मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर आर नॉर्मली इन द मिड टू लो 20 डिग्री. मतलब दिल्ली का जो समर में टेम्परेचर वो 20 डिग्री होता है नॉर्मली over most of the country. And winter temperature are considerably middle in New Zealand compared to other areas of similar latitude. So here we have to discuss the weather and climates in New Zealand that are opposite to many different other countries like Pakistan. Hope so you have to understand the today's topic. Thank you so much.